Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our 7th chapter is going on, that is understanding fraction, in which we have completed our exercise 7a to h. Means all the exercises we had done. One question from exercise 7h was your homework, yesterday's homework. Today, once again, I will explain that question and I will give the picture of it for doing it in your fair copy. Today, we will go with revision exercise of this chapter, chapter 7. So, in revision exercise, fill in the blanks is given that you will do in your copy. I will explain it here in this video, and each and every statements which are given, so that you will do in your fair copy. So this is the last thing you have to do in this chapter. So children, it is given on page number 142. So take out your books, take out your copies, and there you can write that, fill in the blanks. Children, the definitions which are given in this chapter, that will come in your exam also. So please revise all the definitions on your regular basis. You learn that definition and this revision work will also come. So prepare this one also. So from the definitions, you will get fill in the blanks, true, false, and multiple choice question. So prepare all the definitions which you have done in your copy, or you can take it from your book also. The definition names I am giving: fractions, like and unlike fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction, mixed fraction, and their examples also. So prepare all the definitions with the example. If you will have any problem regarding this whole chapter, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. So children, after doing this revision work, your chapter 7 will be over and we will start new chapter from tomorrow. So children, now we are going to do first that question of homework, question number 7, and then fill in the blanks of this chapter revision exercise. So children, open your book, page number 141 and 142, and let's start solving the fill in the blanks and that question of your homework. So children, be ready with your book and copy. So children, question number 7 of 7H exercise. Let's see the question, what it is given. Question number 7 is: Adya and Roy are building a tower using blocks. Adya's tower is 1/1/5 meter tall, while Roy's tower is 1/2/5 meter tall. Who built the taller tower and by how much? So this is the question. Now let's see the meaning of this question. So children, Adya and Roy are building a tower using blocks. Adya's tower is 1/1/5 meter. So 1/1/5 we will convert it into improper fraction, then we will solve it. So 1/1/5 meter tall, while Roy's tower is 1/2/5 meter tall. So again we will convert 1/2/5 to into improper fraction. Now we have to take it out, who built the taller tower and by how much. So children, what we will do, we will subtract it. Which one will be greater, we will subtract, and then the answer will come. What will be the answer? That that's one tower is more taller, and by how much we will see it after subtracting. So let's see the solution of question number 7. Here you can see the solution. Height of Adya star is equal to 1 whole 1 upon 5 meter. We will convert it first. So 5 ones are 5 and plus 1 6, 6 upon 5 meter. Height of Roy's star is 1 whole 2 upon 5 meter. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 upon 5. So in both the fractions 6 upon 5 and 7 upon 5, which one is greater? 7 upon 5 is greater. So we will subtract 6 upon 5 by 7 upon 5 from 7 upon 5. So it means by seeing both the fraction, the Roy star is taller than Adya star. But from how much? That we will see after subtracting it. To 7 upon 5 minus 6 upon 5. Now 5 is the denominator and 7 minus 6. So 1 upon 5 is the answer. So answer will be Roy star is taller by 1 upon 5 meter. Clear? So this is the solution of question number 7. Now the revision test. So children, revision test is fill in the blanks. First is a fraction is a part of a dash or a dash. This is the definition of fraction, whole or a group. 3/7 can be written as 3 upon 7. Clear? This one we assume as fraction. Third is fraction with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. That this is the definition of unit fraction. Numerator as 1, that is unit fraction. D, fraction with different denominators are unlike fraction, and with the same denominators are like fraction. This is the definition of unlike and like fraction. So different denominators are unlike and same denominators are like fractions. Now question number E. If the numerator in a fraction is greater than or equal to the denominator, the fraction is called improper fraction. Now, if the numerator in a fraction is greater than or equal to the denominator, so that is improper fraction. F dash fraction have the same value. So equivalent fractions have the same value. Question number G. Fraction with numerator 1 are called, again that is unit fraction. So 2 times it is given, but you have to write it also 2 times because the way you can write it 1 time also, but write it down 2 times. Both are same. I think C1 and G1, that both are same, but you have to write it down. Now children, your today's homework is you will learn this fill in the blanks and you will prepare all the definitions from this chapter. If you will have any problem, you can ask me on WhatsApp group and write this fill in the blanks in your fair copy. Okay, you have to write this fill in the blanks in your fair copy, not you can fill it in your book also, but you have to write it down in your fair copy. So please write it down children. Thank you and have a nice day.